everyone, welcome to Queen's Kitchens again. Today's recipe which I'm going to share with you is called Papdi Chaat. The term chaat itself means the blend of flavors which includes tangy, sweet, spicy. So everything which includes chaat has combination of flavors. So this is one of the chaats, and if you go to the Indian restaurant or in India, there are various types of chaats you will come across, but I'm going to share this one of the very famous version of chaat which is called papdi chaat. So papdi, it is basically like crackers which is made from plain flour, and also it has lentil fritters with some chutneys. So let's go into details of making your each and everything. Each element has its own importance, so have a look and see how you go. Thank you.
First of all, we will take overnight soaked dehusked black lentils. In a grinder, we'll just grind it and make a thick paste out of it. And take that paste out in a bowl. And now in that paste we'll add cumin seeds, salt to taste, some coriander seeds, garam masala, some chopped ginger, coriander and green chili, some asafoetida, and crushed black pepper. Mix them all together, and in last we'll add some soda bicarbonate or baking soda and mix them again. We'll just in a heated oil we'll just fry all these fritters on low to medium flame. Don't fry them on high flame, otherwise they will don't cook nicely from inside. Now you can see my fritters are nicely cooked and golden brown in color. I've taken water in a bowl and I'll just start putting these fritters into it to get rid of that extra oil and make them softer in texture. Now we'll squeeze water and oil like this. Next step is a chutney. I've taken 1 cup raw sugar in a pan, followed by 2 cups of water, and we'll just put the flame up. And now we'll add some tamarind concentrate with some salt and cumin powder. Give it a good stir, wait until it boils. You can also add some red food color to enhance its color, and once it's boiled then we can add some corn flour and to make it thicker in consistency, and we will just turn off the flame and wait until it cools down. Next is our green chutney. For that I have taken some mint leaves, some coriander leaves and 1 green chili in a blender, some tamarind concentrate and some salt and some water, and our chutney is ready after blending it, and we'll just take it out in a bowl. Now we'll make crackers. For that I have taken 1 cup of plain flour and 1 tablespoon of semollena with some salt to taste, some Carrom seeds, and 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm using vegetable oil here, and I'll just mix it until it becomes a consistency or the texture of kinetic sand. And now we'll start adding some water very slowly to it and get very nice soft dough out of it. So keep on kneading until you get that nice dough like this. And we will leave this dough aside for 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that we will start making our crackers. You can see I'm just rolling my dough, and I have just taken one cutter. And with the fork just poke it so that it gets cooked nicely when we put it in a heated oil. Now I have taken the oil, which is also on very low to medium flame, not on high flame, and we will start frying these crackers in it. Cook until they get nice golden brown color, and we'll take out in a plate and wait until they cool down properly, and they will become really crispy. Now our last step is our making our plate, which I've taken some crackers which are crispy now, and I'm just breaking it and putting in a plate or a bowl, followed by our lentil fritters, which I break in 2 halves as well. Some boiled potatoes, some boiled chickpeas, and I had some beaten yogurt which I'm just putting it on, and we'll basically cover the stuff with the yogurt. Now we will add our chutney, the red chutney. You can see it's so bright and red in color, and it's really yummy as well. So we'll pour some chutney on top of yogurt, and followed by green chutney, which is very tangy in flavor. So it is basically a combination of sweet, sour, tangy, spicy, very yummy. Some cut onions, chopped onions on top of it, some chaat masala, and some red chilli powder, which is optional, and then garnish it with bhuja or some save, which is easily available on Indian supermarkets. Enjoy and see you next time. I hope you like it.
Thank you for watching today's video. I'm sure you must have learned new strategies of cooking something new and something interesting. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for liking and sharing my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.